New washer for you, bud.
What's up, Buttercup? I'm gonna edit you out just because you said that. You're out, bro. You just gotta add a little flair. A little flair. Good flair. Ooh. I'm gonna knock myself out with the ratchet. Whoop. That should work out. Real nice. Come on. Okay. 30-foot pins. Precisely. Okay. A little bit right there. That's looking nice. Just gonna slip you into your respected home here. Come here. Find your happy place. Find your happy place. There we go. Okay. What? Don't you? Little quarter turn clippies. One for you, and one for you, and one for you, and one for you. Alrighty. Okay. That did fix a washer fluid leak situation, so we're gonna verify that right about now and start the car. Car make boom noise. Car maintenance reset. Car maintenance reset, hidden engage. Car maintenance reset requires door closed. Car maintenance reset. Press and hold steering wheel control. There we go. Scroll down. We're gonna hit them with the all due items. And we like that. What are we working with here, bud? Where is she? Proper level. Shh. Absolutely zero spills. Steady. Steady. Keep her steady, Doctor. Perfect. Analyzing trajectory. Doing the math, doing the math, doing the math, doing the math, do the math. Execute. Simba. We have flow. Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. We have flow. Yeah, dog. A little sticker for you, bud. How about a window square for you, bud? Let me just tappy tap that in with my thumb. And, it's nice.